Hello everyone. Today we celebrate National Sports Day. National Sports Day is celebrated on August 29. This day marks the birthday of Dhyan Chand, the hockey player who won gold medals for India in the years 1928, 32 and 36. This day is celebrated by organizing friendly matches between different Indian hockey teams at the Dhyan Chand National Stadium in New Delhi. Dhyan Chand was born in Allahabad. His father Someshwar Dutt Singh was in army as Subedar and played the game of hockey. He had two brothers named Mool Singh and Roop Singh. Dhyan was not much interested into sports initially, but he started playing hockey with his friends. In the year 1922, Dhyan joined the Punjab regiment as a sepoy. He aged just 16 years when he joined army. He was promoted to lieutenant rank in 1937. He retired from Indian Army in 1956 at the age of 51 with the rank of major. In the year 1926, Dhyan Chand was selected for the Indian hockey team going to visit New Zealand at a tour. During the tour, the Indian team scored 20 goals in a match played at Dunkirk, and Dhyan Chand alone had scored 10 of them. Dhyan Chand alone scored 100 out of 192 total team goals in 1936 Olympics. In the Amsterdam Olympic Games 1928, he scored 2 out of the 3 goals in the final match against Netherlands, getting India the gold medal by 3-0 win. In the final match, the Indian squad could score only 1 goal till the interval. Dhyan Chand removed his shoes in the interval and played the match barefooted onwards. The Indian team won the match and the gold medal by 8-1. Adolf Hitler offered Dhyan Chand a higher post in the German army than the one he was holding in the Indian army, but he politely denied the offer. After watching him play hockey, Bradman commented, "He scores goals like runs in cricket." In Holland, the authorities broke his hockey stick to check if there was a magnet inside. After retirement, he taught at coaching camps at Mount Abu, Rajasthan, and later accepted the position of chief hockey coach at the National Institute of Sports, Patiala, a post he held for several years. For his extraordinary services to the nation, the Government of India celebrates Dhyan Chand's birthday 29th of August as National Sports Day. The Indian Postal Service issued a postage stamp in his memory, and the Dhyan Chand National Stadium at New Delhi has been named after him. He was also honored by the Padma Bhushan Award by the Government of India in the year 1956. Such was his playing style that he was known as the Hockey Wizard. Khel Ratna Award will hereby be called the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. Major Dhyan Chand proudly used to say, "It is not my country's duty to push me ahead. It is my duty to push my country ahead." Thank you so much for watching this video.